Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to remove strike through in PDF. So firstly you can see that this sentence are in strike through. All you have to just right click on this sentence and you'll find here delete option. Click on delete and strike through will be deleted. Now if you just want to strike through again, choose the sentence you want to strike through and you'll find here this T option and the cross one, strike through text. Click on this, your text will be strike through. Now I'm gonna show you how you can delete this strike through. Just right click from this strike through moment and you have to click on delete and the strike through will be deleted. Okay guys, so this is how you can remove this is how you can remove strike through from a sentence. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.